Hello and welcome to Losers Become Winners for July 23rd with the Tigers taking lead with TLT at 40%, getting a last bar low. There it is, 40%. It initiated our take profit rule, and we are at last bar low here at the bottom of this candle at 168.47. With one contract, it has a nut of 11.34. Remember, the Tigers is the smaller account. Therefore, you're not going to see a lot of contracts until it's able to build up its option buying power. Okay, our next leader takes over is UAA, and UAA has is in profit zone, so that means that we're taking one of the three exits of the profit zone: uh, price channel, uh, 30-day moving average, or the dip, and we are at 30-day moving average for the exit for UAA. Going on to going to mention Duke because Duke was the leader yesterday, and once it goes into profits, once it gets a designation as a profit zone, it does get to move up with the action. So there's the 30-day moving average, and our stop is here. Is our stop on the 30-day moving, which is almost on top of the entry value. So Duke did okay. New leader who new entry is XLF ETF for financials. That said, let's go on now to the uh, alphas. Get the alphas out of the way, and the alphas have here. Remember, this is the 30-day moving average, whereas the Tigers is price channel. That's what the challenge is. So here, our leader here is now Newmount. What happened was PRG just started running out of steam. We'll look at it closely on the candlestick action. And remember, our only exits allowed on the 30-day moving average is either get the 30% for last bar low, or the close is below the 30-day moving average line, and then the low of the exit, which occurred here with T, and we're going to look at T toward the end. Our next leader is XLV. XLV is running here, and again, it's the same situation. We got to wait for the close below the 30-day moving average or reach our 30%. So we got 11% move. We can get 11% move on the XLV, then we can be able to get a chance to get to that last bar low. So our one, there's PGR. So that's what I mentioned. We go look at PGR because PGR was our high potential yesterday at 23%, and it didn't make it. Yeah, a little disappointing for sure. So, 23% was here. It dropped down. So the stop is the stop is still down here. And this is just more this is more for decoration to remind us that when the close does go below the 30-day, we'll be moving it there. Bank of America is got onto the boards and it's in positive zone, and it's the same situation here. It's waiting for a either gets to 30% ROI or gets to close below the 30-day moving average. All right, that takes us now to Capri. Why Capri? Because Capri did have a close below the 30-day moving average. Yes, it's got its 30-day moving average close right there. That's a perfect text example. Close is below the 30-day moving average. The low of the candle is now the new stop, and if it gets touched tomorrow, it will take a loss. And it's looking at a potential of maybe a 20% loss on this particular trade. Now, Capri is going to be around for a while. It's going to go through a lot of this up and down until finally it finds the sea legs. And then the end result is that we're going to have either a break to the high or break to a low, and then work on breaking this rock, becomes pebbles, and pebbles become profit, and profit does payback. That concludes now to the exit of today's exit. Then that was T. AT&T got exited out because why? It had last bar low here yesterday. Look, this is very tiny. It's hard to see, but it's right there. It's right there. The close was below the 30-day moving average. The stop is put at the low of the candle, and we got stopped out today for a 25% loss in 8 days. That equated to $47 per contract, 6 contracts, 282, $8 in roundup and fees. minus 290, along with a 3023 owed to a new O of 3313. And that is just play the game until it becomes the winner. It will become a winner. It just takes time, patience, discipline, and following the rules. With that said, that concludes today's report for the for the losers become winners, the battling strategies of the Alphas 30 and the Tigers PC, with the Tigers at 1 and the Tigers at 2. And I thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out. Bye bye.